Hello, this is my CHUMP ALU project. Before I show you my working circuit, I want to first explain some of the pins and instructions on the ALU. The first four inputs I'm going to talk about are the select bits. These bits will select a row in the function table. The next input I'm going to talk about is the mode input. This input will select a column in the function table. The last function selecting input is the carry input. This input will decide whether to add 1 or nothing to the output. The last two inputs are the A inputs and the B inputs. These two inputs are the actual operands of the functions. The last really important pins are the F outputs. The F pins display the outputs of the functions. So now I'm going to actually show my circuit. So I'm going to turn it on here, and you can see my mode switch here, which is high, and my select switches, and my A and B inputs. So if my selects are all low, that means I'm choosing the top row, and my mode is high, so I'm going to be choosing the mode high column. That means the function I'm selecting is the not A function. This function will reflect the opposite of the A pins. All my A pins are starting low, but you can see the output says they're all high. As I flip the A switches, the outputs will turn on and off, opposite to what they are selected. Here, you can see that all the outputs are on, and the A equals B pin, which is the very left output there, turns off. That is because it's an open collector, so it will sink current when active, and I'm using it as a ground, so it's actually the opposite of what you'd think it is. I also just flipped the mode switch to low, so now it is using the A+1 function. So if all my A's are low, it should display 1 because 0 plus 1 is 1.